Hey Gary, so this is Screencast-O-Matic. I just go to the website and I do kind of this combo. It gives a little screen. If you ever had a document you wanted to have in the background and talk, but also have your little face there, it works. But usually I'm doing announcements like this. I was just hoping that you could share your notes just verbally. I want people to see your face. Because I'm going to tell you, those start lines were fantastic. And as an experienced sailor, I loved the courses. I loved working hard out there. I love feeling sore for the third day in a row. Yeah. And so I think we'll talk about length later, but I didn't quite read the full notes as far as how long the races lasted. And so maybe we can talk about the intermediate sailors or the newer sailors. Some in the back were experienced sailors, but just overpowered. Apparently, I need to go set up Julia's boat with some measurements. But anyways, I just want to show you a screen recorder, get an idea of what I'd love to talk to you about, and thank you, you and Ann both, for coming out and doing that race. It was the best start to the year. I love that wind. But not everyone does, but I love it, and a lot of the top sailors love it too. It's exciting. It reveals a lot of things about our sailing. It revealed a lot about what I need to learn and new and practice and just get better. I can't wait to improve all year long. So, in your sailing notes will help me improve. It will help others improve. And I will tell you, these ladies are sponges. They want to learn. So, and you, sir, are a source of wisdom. So thank you for what you are sharing with our group and your volunteering for us. I find every conversation about sailing with you very valuable, so thank you for that. Sometimes even golf. Piston. All right, see you later.